The professionalism of Sotheby's International Realty, it's truly white glove service.
Not only was it professional, but it was also personal. I can't imagine that I could ask for anything better where I have someone who's willing to work with me in terms of a business practice, but also work with me in terms of a person, and then help out when she can, and she did both.
Working with Sotheby's, I never felt just like a client. And as far as Brenda, she was just so warm, and she just treated my kids like she would her own kids, honestly. Her photography and videography on our listing was outstanding. I had never seen that in any other real estate company before. She knew the precise day to list our home, and she knew exactly where online to market. I can see now that her methods are the reason why our home sold in 6 days.
When I consider what the marketing process went through to get our house into shape and then take the pictures and then create the videos, our house looked like a palace. When people walked in, they actually saw it the same way that the pictures made it. And that was even more impressive. Someone saw the sign outside of our home, and I was actually asked, how did you get Barrett Sotheby International Realty to sell your home? I said, we asked. The results speak for themselves because there were over 30 people at the open house the very first weekend, and we ended up accepting an offer that was much higher than our asking price.